Today I'm making Cajun pork chops over fettuccine with a mushroom cream sauce. Check out these bad boys. French cut pork chops from Mino's Prime Steak. Season these with some garlic powder, salt and pepper, some Zatarain's Cajun blackened seasoning. Be sure to get both sides and all the ends. All right, we're gonna bake it up your frying pan. Got this pan nice and hot. We're gonna sear them all sides. We're gonna cook these till they hit an internal temperature of 145. All right, while the chops are cooking, we got some shallots and about pretty much a handful of garlic. We're gonna cut these up. No, we're gonna chop them up. These are done. Took about exactly 10 minutes to get to 145. We're gonna remove them, cover them up. The same pan here, we're gonna add the garlic and the shallots. Saute these up for a few minutes. Add a little red wine just to get them going a little bit. Add your fettuccine, cup of chicken broth, full pack of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons butter with a little more salt and pepper. Add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Add fettuccine into the cream sauce. And now we're gonna cut up these beautiful chops. Oh, hubby's been so patient. Here you go, come on, up. Check out how perfect these are cooked. I just can't wait. Gotta get me a bite. Oh, Cajun pork chops over fettuccine cream sauce. Are you kidding me? Delicious.